Okay. Okay, so we told you were gonna make a video after the bars, and yeah, we're a little trashed.
Just a little.
But okay, so I guess it's like creeper.
You know what? No, we had all the drinks we had for Jeanette.
Oh yeah, because Jeanette's her birthday. Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Jeanette.
Let's see, we had 2 pitchers of
Malibu, Long Island.
$7, 2 pitchers. We drank them both. We played Lost in the bar. Well, we have that video on YouTube. I'm putting that up too. And we had sex on the beach, and we had shots of hot sex, and they just kept coming.
And Amaretto Sour and Grenadine. I have like 3 of those.
Yeah.
And
so,
then
creeper status.
I don't know. I had the Jaeger Bomb.
Yeah.
And then my friend bought me like those 2 other shots. It was like something red and peppermint shots.
Redhead slut?
I don't know. It was like one in a cup and another in a cup. It was like red and then peppermint shots. I don't know what it was.
So then we had a creeper. The DJ there was like all up on me, like, oh, every song. So much from Chicago. So like every song he played is like, this is for you, baby girl, I'm from Chicago. And then he asked me to dance with him. So I was like, okay, I'm not gonna be a bitch. So like I went and danced with him, and he's like all grabbing down my butt in this. I'm like, okay, yeah, we need to get the hell out of here. And he's like, I work at the house. He's like, my friend works at the House of Blues. I want your number. And I was like, yeah, I need to get out of here. So that's like creeper status. Like I think it's like let's creep on Stacey and Lauren. But the DJ was like creepy. Like every song he's like, this is for you, baby girl, Chicago, Chicago, Chicago. I'm like, I need to get out of here.
Okay, it was just like a little after 2 o'clock now, and he didn't start playing good music until like 1:30.
Not even, maybe like 1:45.
Like, he was playing, like, fucking Journey, like, okay,
I
love
Journey, but, like, okay, we want to, like, dance, like, hip-hop, you know, like,
Lollipop.
And he played the
twice.
worst Lollipop song ever, the worst version. And then we're walking home just now, and we see this guy go across the street, whoop, fall over.
Falls on someone's lawn.
And his phone goes flying.
And
like,
so he's like, laying there for, like, 5 minutes.
Street. And, like, we, like, kept, like, get up, get up, get up. And he wouldn't get up. I'm, like, thinking he's dead. Creeper status number 3 today. Another guy comes up to me, and while Stacey's helping, the one dude passed out. He's like, dude, you just called me, and you texted me back. Dude, I don't even go here. I don't even know who you are. And he's like, let's go to an after bar. I got 3 parties. Let's go, let's go. He's like, I'm Alon. I'm Alon.
He's like,
don't help that guy.
I'm Alon.
He's like, don't help that guy. Don't help that guy. I'm like, no, we have to. Like, what? He's gonna like wake up all like weird.
Like gonna die.
So then we start walking. He grabs our hand. He's like, we gotta go the other way. We gotta go the other way. I'm like, no, we're going home. He's like, no, come on, let's go. I was like, no, we're going home. He's like, well, it's nice to meet you. I'm Lance. I'm Lance. And then we go through like a sea of boys. And they're like, you look pretty scared. I'm like, yeah, we kind of are. And he's like, well, don't be scared of us at least. And we're like, okay. So this night was pretty amazing. I definitely had the coolest day of coolest day ever. Yeah, it was like creeper day. Like we had the freaking fat guy at the Majestic Theater, the creepy DJ, the guy that was Lance, the poor kid that fell over in the middle of the street. Like,
I felt so bad for him. And by the way, just so I have a good conscience, he was standing upright when I left him. So
let's hope he's not in the middle of the road or down something, because he was really bad. He didn't even know where he was.
He's like, what happened? I don't think he fell over.
Okay, I should be laughing because what's going to happen? So, well, at least we know we helped them. Okay. So, yeah, we definitely had the coolest day ever. We saw our boys and went drinking.
Okay, Jeanette, I had
I didn't have much and a half. I thought I was going to puke my brains out.
Plus
then I went
3 drinks.
That was good.
Plus, okay, pitcher and a half, and 3 drinks, and 5 shots for you.
Girl, we love you, Jeanette. We love you so much. And, alright, we're peacing out, because we're probably going to either go to bed or probably just watch TV all night.
And this is me when I was 3 years old.
I'm sorry, Chris. Your video was hilarious, by the way.
So funny.
Okay.
Watch that. Because it's probably funnier when we're drunk.
I know. But, yeah, we're peacing out, because I'm probably just going to watch YouTube all night.
And I just want to say that, Emma, if you see this, and if you remember what we talked about tonight, about you lying to me,
Stacey, why are you bringing it up?
I'm just saying. I'm not gonna mention what it's about, but I totally called you out, and...
Okay, anyway, we're going. Bye.